Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by tapping open Trust Wallet from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on Ethereum from the main homepage. Tap Send from the options displayed on the next page. Next, open up your Coinbase application as well. Make sure you're logged into it. Tap on the Receive button from the main homepage and make sure that you select Ethereum. In my case, it's showing me Bitcoin, so let me tap it on, and on the next page, select Ethereum from the list. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your QR code and your wallet address for Ethereum. Tap the copy button right next to the wallet address and open up your Trust Wallet app. Paste the wallet address that you just copied into the recipient address text box at the top. Once you do that, enter the amount of Ethereum that you'd like to send. After you are done, tap the Next button at the bottom. And that is how you can easily transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.